Hey, so you got your PIN Genie Smart Lock installed, but now how do you use it and how do you get it programmed so you could actually get in your house and use the smart lock? Well, in this video I'm going to show you just how to do that and how to get it all set up. Let's check it out. Hey, what's up? My name's Josh with Gross Tech, bringing you the best reviews for your home technology, whether that's smart like the PIN Genie Smart Lock or just something like headphones or a portable speaker. You can find unboxing reviews and news about those things here on this channel, so if you're new around here, please consider subscribing. So, in the last video, if you haven't seen, we've unboxed, which will be right here. We have installed it, which will be right here. And now we're going to show you how to exactly get it up and going and, be able to actually use the smart lock from PIN Genie. And so let's take a look real close. So bring it on in. Alright, so first thing you want to do is you want to take the top battery compartment open. Can we have that set like that? Nope, okay. And what it uses 4 AA batteries. So I've got 4 right here in my pocket. And what we will do is you will make sure the easy remover strap is underneath it. Start from the left just so it's easier. Put in the first 3. Don't go any further. Just put in the first 3. And then what it says to do is hold the program button while you're installing the 4th one. And it's supposed to make a loud beep noise. And so it has done so. So the reason why you do that is what it is trying to program and learn is how far it needs to push the actual deadbolt over and what's totally unlocked. So that is how you do that. Now on the back here is the instructions, and you can go through that, but I'm going to show you right now how you can program your own key. We're going to hit the program button. It brings up and it's going to change your numbers. Right now it's just normal, the 3 digits in each circle. Once you hit the program, you'll see A, O, A, E. And so what you're needing to do here is hit 1 to enter your PIN. So you're in programming mode now. And it needs to be a 6 to 8 digits, so we'll just do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hit the enter button. You have to do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Push the enter again. Yes or no. Yes. And now that is saved as a password. And as you notice, the numbers changed when you put it in the second time, so just make sure you pay attention to that. So now, if we wake it up, go ahead and hit program button in the back again to get it out of program mode. Now, the nice feature that I like is when you leave, it's as easy as pushing the enter button. And as you can see, hopefully, yep, the deadbolt pops out. So we're locked. To wake it up, just put your hand in front, and we used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Enter. And there you go. Now the thing that you might have noticed, some numbers are duplicated, like the 7s are duplicated, the 8s are duplicated, and it doesn't matter which one you hit as long as it is the PIN number that you needed to use. So we want to delete the passcode that we put in or change it, or you really just want to get rid of that passcode. Now if there's only one passcode in the system, you can't delete it. You need to add another one first, because obviously you have to have passcode. So if we put it in program mode by hitting the program button in the back, remember 1 was to add, 2 is to delete. Here's our code that we actually set up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We want to delete that, so if we hold the OK button, it'll beep and say yes or no. Do you want to delete this passcode? And I say yes. And there you go. It is deleted. So if we look here, we can see in the programming menu we have 1 for add, 2 for delete, come back, 3 is to check your passcode and to turn on or off the Bluetooth, And 4 is to set the alarm sensitivity. And yes, that is correct. You have an actual alarm on this unit. So that way if somebody tries to break in, it'll actually put out a very audible alarm. And you can set that sensitivity up in that menu. And just to get out of programming mode, you just hit the program button and you're back to just being a whole bunch of numbers. We'll lock the door. Bring it back up. You can see the numbers have already changed already. So again, we'll just unlock it from the inside. Numbers change. And it's as easy as that to add your passcodes and set it up. Now let's go to the back side to see what kind of buttons are in the back side and what you can do with those ones. Alright, so here we are on the back side. Obviously you have the lock and unlock for the actual deadbolt. You have a on and off switch here, which if you turn it off, it will turn off the display on the other side and you will not be able to enter any kind of passcode. It's kind of like a do not disturb or a safety, so that way if you're home alone, your kid's home alone, they can switch that and not have to worry about anybody being able to get in. Now the PIN Genie button down here is actually 3 things. One, if the alarm system in the unit is actually triggered, hitting this will turn it off and it will actually flash green and red to show you that it's actually being triggered. If it is a slow flashing red, that means the battery is about to die, and you can turn the mode of the alarm on or off from here. Now when we look inside the compartment, obviously you have your batteries and the programming up top, but let's take a look at what we have under here. As you can see, there are 4 toggle switches, the program button, and then a reset button, which if you hit the reset button, it will reset all the passcodes and everything in the system. But we'll take a look at here the 4 toggle switches. Up is on, down is off, just so you know. And the first one is the auto lock. That feature, if you have it on, will automatically lock the deadbolt after 30 seconds. After unlocking the door, you shut the door, it'll automatically lock it after 30 seconds. If you don't want that feature, you can turn that off. Second switch is the alarm mode. If you want the alarm mode on, you can have that switched up and it will actually be able to sound off that alarm that is built into the smart lock. If you don't, you can turn it off. The third one is the audio. So if we didn't want it to beep every single time you press things, to beep every time it unlocked or locked the door successfully, you can turn that off or on. And the last thing is pin crazy, is what they call it. And with that on, every time you input a digital, when you're touching and inputting your code, every touch it changes all the numbers. More secure, yes, but more likely that you'd goof up your own password if you have that on. So it's nice to be able to just quickly turn those on or off instead of having to go through programming and doing all that. So as you can see, setting up and getting used to and getting the passcodes in and deleting and all the settings is really, really simple with the PIN Genie Smart Lock. And that's very important to be able to have something that is easy to use and easy to set up to use, because if it's not, then it's kind of a waste of your time and a waste of a product to be a secure door lock for you if you can't even get it working right. So one thing we didn't go over is the Bluetooth capability of the app. And on the next video we will go over exactly how to get the app, what's all in the app, and how you can use it to unlock and lock and give out your passcodes and make passcodes for up to 8 people so they can get into your house, be it your dog walker, your grandparents, your mother, your father, your in-laws, your outlaws, all of them. You can give them PIN codes and manage it all from your phone. So tune in when we come back with that. Again, if you haven't seen any of the unboxing video or the installation of the PIN Genie Smart Lock, go ahead, click around here somewhere, it'll be around here, and it will take you to those videos. Thank you again for watching. My name's Josh with Gross Tech. God bless you guys, and I hope you have a great week. Bye.